what's up? It's Lauren, and today I'm doing a closet clean out video, which I've been needing to do for so long. You know, we're stuck in our houses and we have nothing else better to do. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna actually go through all my clothes today and clean them out. Also, all of my clothes that I am getting rid of, I'm going to list on Poshmark. I usually list my clothes at pretty cheap prices just because I, you know, want to get rid of them. So I usually have most items under $10, sometimes 15. But if you guys are interested in purchasing any clothing or seeing what I'm getting rid of, I will have my Poshmark link down below. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it inspires you to clean out your closet. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's jump on into the video. Alrighty, so we got my clothing rack, and then we got my closet with my shoes, and then more shoes, and then my drawers. Also, quick warning, my room right now is like pretty messy, so I do need to clean my room too, but that's gonna be for another video because we don't have time to do both today. But I'm going to probably first go through my drawers and then we'll go through my closet. I think that's a good idea. And then we'll do my clothing rack. So this is gonna take like 4 hours. All right, so I think we're gonna start with my pants. I don't even know if they fit me. I honestly don't want to try them all on, but we probably are going to have to see if they fit me and to see if I need them still. My drawer down here is all of my pants, so let's go through these. Okay, so I put my hair down. It'll probably be back up in like a second. I have so many pairs of Hollister jeans from high school still that I haven't got rid of. I also have work pants. So I have a lot of work pants that I need, and then I have other things. White jeans, more white jeans, these jeans, these ones, which I could wear these to work. All right, so I'm gonna try all these on and see if they fit. I forgot about these jeans. These are so cute. These are like my mom jeans. They're not mom jeans at all. They're just like a little looser and cropped, and they're so cute. I forgot I had them. These ones I never wear. I forgot I had them, honestly, but they just have like a rip in the knee, and they're just these light wash jeans, and they're low-rise jeans, which is like fine, but I don't know. I guess I'll keep them. I just like never wear them, but this is like my internal struggle. All right, so I got rid of 3 pairs of jeans. I got rid of these Hollister ones that I've had forever. They're just like jeggings. These white ones from Hollister that don't fit me, and these are from H&M. They're just these like light like maroon ones. They all just are way too small on me, so we're gonna get rid of these 3. So I'm pretty proud of myself. Got rid of 3. So these are my crop tops. I'm gonna go through all of these, and then there's also some tank tops as well, so we're gonna see if I need any of these. Okay, this one, cute. Just got this year, so don't want to get rid of that black bodysuit. I wear that like all the time. This black crop top from H&M. It's cute. Don't want to get rid of that either. This one I love. It's my long sleeve off the shoulder. And then I have a lot of these just like plain tank tops that I wear a ton in the summer, and they're from Target, and I love them. Okay, this one I think I'm gonna get rid of because I'm just gonna throw this one away just because it's all like torn up in the, as you can see, like around the straps, and it's just like really old. So this one we're gonna throw away. Okay, so I'm gonna work on all of my drawers here, and I'm gonna put everything pretty much like on the floor, and then I'll like reorganize it from there because like everything, like I said, is like in different drawers and doesn't make sense. So I'm just gonna leave everything on the floor and we'll figure it out. Okay guys, this is literally just 2 drawers out of all the drawers I showed you, and like I said, I haven't even touched my closet yet. Yeah, that's just my workout stuff. So I have to go through all of that. Yeah, I just have a lot of workout stuff, and I don't even work out, so I don't really know why I have it, but guys, I got these leggings back from Brandy Melville when I was in 10th grade. I just remember this so vividly. Like, I used to go to Brandy Melville all the time, and it was like a 45-minute drive for me. I go on Splurges and buy like all this stuff because I would go like twice a year. And I remember buying these, and they weren't in for a while, but now camo's in again, so guess I'll keep them. So I did all my piles. I'm gonna give away these 3 because I don't think I would wear bright blue or floral anymore. Tackle my closet over here and switch it out with my clothing rack, like the clothes from my clothing rack, and switch them into there, and then take out my summer clothes and put them out there. Before I even go into my closet, I was looking at these shoes here. So I usually keep these shoes like out the whole year because like I can wear things like this like most of the year, my slip-ons and things like that. So I was looking at my shoes, and I honestly think I'm gonna get rid of this pair just because I haven't worn them in years. All right, so opening up my closet, here it is. It's literally a mess, like a complete disaster. I don't have a walk-in closet, I just have like a normal closet. And so the amount of clothes I have really does not fit. So yeah, it's really, really messy. Also these dresses here, I don't know if anyone else has the same issue, but I love these dresses. I just don't know when I'm going to wear them again. Alright, so super cute pile we got going on. I'm gonna make a yes and no pile to keep everything organized. Obviously yes for all the things I want to keep, and no for things I want to get rid of. I'm not even gonna make a maybe pile. I'm just gonna either figure out if I want it or not want it, because whenever I do maybe piles I always end up keeping all the stuff. So I'm gonna do a yes, a no pile, separate it, and then see where we are from there. Okay, so down here I have all bathing suits, and then I have like shoes and stuff just like over here, and these are like more like heels and things that I don't wear every single day. And then for bathing suits and stuff I need to go through. These 2 are like going out clothes, and I definitely can get rid of a lot of them. But yeah, so I'm gonna go through these 3 drawers and then figure out this pile of clothes here, because I have literally a whole pile that was up from here. So we're gonna figure this out. Alright, so we got all my sweatshirts nice and organized. Honestly, it's kind of sad that I went through all of this and it's still this high up, but yeah, I have all of my cropped ones here and my normal ones here. Now we're going to deal with this pile of clothes over here. We have so many clothes, but I'm going to transfer these over to the clothing rack. Alrighty, so everything is now nice and put on my clothing rack. So the clothing rack is all finished and done, which is so nice. So last thing I'm going to do is my shoes, and then I am completely done, which is nice. And like I said, this is my pile of stuff I am giving away. So we're almost there. Alrighty guys, so I just put all of my sandals and stuff over here, so this is all nice and laid out. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this cleaning my closet video. I hope it inspired you to clean your closet. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, please leave them in the comments. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.